All right, guys, we've got a massive 2022 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. Look at this beast. Massive wheels, really good looking truck all the way around. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Still got the factory resonator, still got the factory converters there and there, still practically brand new. And then we cut the muffler off and put a Borla ProXS, part number 400349. There'll be a link in the description for it. There it is, right there. Then we ran two and a quarter tailpipes, mandrel bent there and there. And then put some black 4-inch rolled tips out the back to complete the look. Came out really clean, really beautiful. Check it out, guys. Really nice truck. There it is. And that's the muffler that was on it. And that's the tailpipe that was on it that we cut off. All right. And we always leave the resonator on it. Always leave the resonator on. Start it up. Make sure it's not too loud. Or if it's not loud enough, you can take it off. But we always keep the resonator because it drones inside if you take it off. Right there, that resonator. So we always do it in stages. So when you go to your local muffler shop, tell them the same thing. Start with like swapping out the muffler first, and then if it's not loud enough, then do resonator after. Here we go, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, guys. First, 2023 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote in this shop, or maybe second, I don't know, or third, I don't know, I don't remember. But anyways, what we got done on this beast: factory converters, gigantic. Look at these things. Jeez. Wisened to a single. Then they kept the same exhaust. There's the stock resonator. So that's good to know for you guys. If you ever wonder if they changed the setup on them, they did not. Anyways, resonator there. Then what we installed is a Flowmaster Super 10, part number 842515, right there. Then continued with 3-inch pipe, 3-inch tailpipe out the back to complete the look. Right there. There it is. Nice and clean. There'll be a link in the description for it, for that muffler, guys. If you want that Flowmaster, there'll be a link in the description. And there's the gigantic muffler that's on it right there. This truck only has 500 miles on it. So you can imagine he wanted it loud. I don't blame him. It was way too quiet when it came in. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. 22 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. Borla ProXS. What do you think? That's what you want? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, sir. That's what he wanted. He didn't want it too loud, just a little bit of tone. And we delivered. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. 96.6 at peak. Keep the resonator on it? Keep it on there. Yes, sir. And you can always take it off later on. So. And this will break in, get about 10% louder in about 30 days. So okay. It'll even perfect it even more. Which is not, what's nice about Borla is you hear it outside, not inside. You know, which is good for what you do, you know. Be in the road. Yeah, that's perfect tone, man. Again? Good looking truck, man. I love the wheels on it. It's a nice setup. What do you guys think? Is it loud enough or does it need to be louder? Let us know in the comments. Should he take the resonator off or should he keep it on there? Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah. Ford F-150 Flowmaster Super 10. And we added a 5-inch tip to it to complete the look. Much better. Here's sound decibels. Right at 109. That's perfect deepness. Yeah. And you still got the resonator on it too. Yeah, so leave it. That resonator takes the drone out inside.
Yeah.
So you always want to leave it on there.
Yeah. That looks way better.
That's clean. Very nice. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. '22 F-150 Borla ProXS. Sexy truck. I like it. What do you guys think of the new body style on these F-150s? I like them. They just look mean. With the 5.0 Coyote, you cannot beat it. I like Ford for keeping the 5.0s. Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect for a businessman. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Cool. F-150. I like the new tail lights. What do you guys think of the new headlights? I mean, not tail lights. It's clean. Got a fat stance to it. It's not bad at all. Enjoy, guys. Ford F-150 with Flowmaster Outlaws True Duals 2023. Beast mode. That's loud. Enjoy, guys.